So today we are in Orapuki. We went to Bluff, then we went up to Invercargill, and we are now. It's actually quite a cool idea. Technically, the campsite is free because it's in the car park of a pub, sort of bar, a tavern. Today we're going to make like a goulash.
I made the Bible.
But obviously goulash takes a long time. Well, traditionally. Slow cooked. So it's more of like a beefy stew inspired by goulash. Got red wine, passata, garlic, beef, lots of paprika. Guess what Donan did? Prepared a cheeky little bread bowl.
Made from a sourdough bread.
Just
Here's
like
here's the leftovers we're going to use for bread and oils because we don't waste food.
So yeah, just like real goulash, except in not even half the time, probably quicker. So at the moment we have Dolan just drinking. Can you see that? We have the beef, onion, and garlic just sizzling up. So once we've browned the beef, we're going to add in the rest. Plenty paprika, plenty red wine, and just let it sort of simmer away. It's more like boiling. I need to turn the heat down a little bit, but just let it simmer away. With meals like this, although they do take about half an hour, probably need or 45 minutes, but although it sounds like a long time, it does mean that you have enough leftovers for tomorrow and possibly even the next day. So it does mean that you won't have to cook a full meal the next couple of days. So in that sense, it does actually save time doing this a bigger meal every now and again. Like the risotto as well was the same. And there we have it. We haven't filled it right up yet because it is a lot. It's a big bowl. So we haven't filled it all the way up. But it looks so good.
It does.
Hopefully it tasted good.
The lid doesn't really fit.
Worst pumpkin carver ever.
Yeah. But it's okay.